Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to do chocolate chip cheesecake brownies. I have going to spray my pan with the butter oil. I've already mixed up my brownies, and this is what I've done. I've done the Duncan Hines fudge brownies. I've already got my mixture made up. That'll save a little bit of time here. What I'm doing is you can do homemade, or you can do the store-bought. I just got a roll of the chocolate chip cookie dough, and I am going to just kind of cut it like this.
Don't cut yourself.
Well, you know, as shaky as I am, I could very easily. And just going to take this cookie dough and press it down in my muffin pan in the bottom there. Take just a minute here to get this in there. These are kind of small, little old muffin tins. I've had them. This was, again, one of my mama's. Had it for many, many, many years. She passed it on to me. That there, I got kind of thick. That there one. So I'm going to need to make these just a little bit skinnier.
These are very tasty.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, you can make your own cookie dough, but today we're just kind of doing things fast and simple and easy.
I mean, if they want to, they can also make their own brownie mix.
Oh, yeah. On brownie mix, on cheesecake mix, you can make everything homemade, which would really be better, but I like this just as well. And like I said, it doesn't take nearly as long, especially, I mean, this makes a real quick, easy dessert, okay?
Okay.
All right, now then we've got the cookie dough in there. We're going to take about 1/3 of a cup of brownie mix. So thick.
Yeah.
Woo, that full one that was kind of fat made a kind of a fat one. Really, probably a 1/2 cup of this brownie mix would work. It already looks good, doesn't it, Bud?
Yeah.
So, what have you done today?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing much.
Nothing much? Just a kind of a lazy Saturday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of a cloudy, rainy kind of day.
Yeah.
So that will make this old brownie cheesecake taste good. All right. About to get this filled. Okay. Now I'm going to take just some milk chocolate chips, just a few of them, and just kind of sprinkle it over them. This is optional. You don't have to do it. You can do your own thing.
Yeah. So where does the cheesecake come in?
Do what?
Where does the cheesecake come in?
Where does the cheesecake come in?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to take some and just put some right on top. About 1/4 of a cup, like this. I'm going to have to get my fingers in.
Yeah.
They're clean.
You might have to move some of those cheesecake things over a bit.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to take a fork and kind of spread it into the chocolate.
Yeah. It may look like a mess now, but I assure you, once they're done, mwah, they're going to taste so good.
Well, they may not look so pretty when they're done either. Some of them do. Sometimes they do, but it's the taste that I go for, not just the looks. I mean, the looks helps, that's for sure. But I don't want something that's real pretty and it not taste good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now then, we're going to take. Look at that one there, it's just splattered everywhere. I really goofed up on it. This is a bloopers deal, I guess. The bloopers.
Yeah.
Oh, gracious. That one really messed up. That'll be yours. Yeah, I kind of got a little bit. That's that one that had that real fat cookie dough.
Yeah. It's gonna taste really good, though.
Yeah, it'll taste good. It's just a lot of brownie in with it.
Yeah. We can scrape it off and then put it back in the bowl, and we can.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna let it cook like that.
Oh.
Yeah. Unless you want me to.
Nah, we can cook it.
Yeah, we can cook it. Yeah, you can make your own cheesecake mix too. Homemade. You can do all this homemade and do it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. It's been at 350 and it'll be about 35 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot I had a sweet potato in there. Ooh. Forgot I had a sweet potato. Okay, what I'm going to do also, I already had started this. I'm going to do 6 more here. And I'm putting a little bit of peanut butter in this one. Mixing some peanut butter in it. I like my peanut butter. So we're going to put it in the oven too. I'll go ahead and sprinkle just a few chocolate chips over it. Okay, and now I can put a little bit of, go a little bit easier maybe on the brownie mix. You just about got it ready to go in the oven.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, put cheesecake on it. We're about to get it completed. What did I do with my fork? Oh, it's here. Right here. Crazy old woman. Mix that up. Give it the brownie mix a little bit. This will be good too with the peanut butter added into it. Okay. We'll put this in. You'll come out about the same time. Okay. The brownie cheesecake is out of the oven. I took a little bit of caramel syrup, put it on the plate. It's still just a tad warm. We're going to cut into it to let you see what it looks like.
Oh, Nice.
This one's the one with the peanut butter that I cut into.
Yep.
There you go. I hope you guys try it. And we'll see you next time. We thank you for joining us. If you would, please like or subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a good week. Thank you.